gardener, I love to give my friends and family something special that says, I enjoy being outdoors, and here is a gift that keeps on giving even after the holidays are over. Basically, it is a tulip that we are going to put in these beautiful glass mason jars. And I am going to just put some marble in, and you can choose any kind of marble. I'm just going with this white marble, and you would just basically fill your mason jar up and nestle in the bulb of choice. You can do alliums, you can do lilies, you can do amaryllis. The list goes on and on. It's just basically your preference. I have tried alliums and they're doing really good. I also have some tulips here that are already blooming. So they're already getting to bloom, and I will have some beautiful flowers to enjoy throughout the spring. So let's fill this container all the way up. And let's pick out a really nice plump bulb. This one's already starting to sprout, so we will nestle that in there very nicely. Make sure it's the bottom root is facing down, so the roots can start growing into the rocks. And you can make it as decorative, as festive as you want. You can add some beautiful ribbon to accent the mason jar. You can wrap it around. You can add some cranberries if you wish to add another decorative touch. And basically I would add a cute little, like tag on the side with a little bit more ribbon that says, just give me water, and I would just put it on there, and all they have to do is just put some water in there and it will just grow, and they will have a beautiful gift well beyond the holiday season. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little video on planting bulbs in cute glass mason jars. If you guys have any other DIY projects that you guys are interested in seeing, please leave a comment below. And until next time, you guys, and I hope you guys have a wonderful Christmas. Bye-bye.